Dreamers, have you ever wondered how much money do you need inside of a stock in order to generate $100 every single month in dividends, right? I'm going to show you guys in this video how to calculate it and exactly how much you need. Now, dividends is by far the most passive form of income there is. You literally don't do nothing at all. You just sit back, relax, and you see money go inside your brokerage account either every single month or once every single quarter, depending on if you're investing inside a monthly paying dividend stock or quarterly paying dividend stock. Now, the only thing is since it's so passive, you kind of do need a lot of money to invest in order to see a decent return in dividends. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how much you need, but I'm telling you right now, listen to me. I'm telling you right now, you are not going to like the number that I give you on how much money you need in order to make $100 a month. You're not going to like that number. But if you stick to the end of this video, we're not going to be talking about $100 a month. I'm going to show you with just $10 on how you could generate 6 figures in dividends, right? So we go from $100 a month in dividends to now we're generating 6 figures in dividends. I'm going to show you guys how to do that with just $10. And you got the crazy thing about this is that you guys could start this today. So let me show you guys exactly how to calculate it. I'm using the app Moomoo. On Moomoo, we're going to hit that search bar at the top, and then we're going to type in KO. This is going to be our first example, and then I'm showing you guys how to make 6 figures at the end. Now, here we are on Coca-Cola. You guys can see that the dividend yield at the bottom is 2.7. But let's click on company, and then under company, we're going to click dividends. This is one thing I like about Mumu. As you guys can see, they have a dividend yield of 2.7% at the time of the recording of this video, and they have a frequency of 4 times a year. That means that this is a quarterly paying dividend stock. And if you take a look right there, they're paying out a cash dividend of 51 cents per share every quarter. If you add that up, that's going to be $2.04 for every 1 share that you own of Coca-Cola. Throughout the year, you're going to make $2.04 from Coca-Cola. And right now, Coca-Cola is at, what is it at? It is at $71.91 per share. So let's go ahead and calculate that right quick. But first, a word from our sponsors. This video is sponsored and brought to you by Mumu, the powerful brokerage app designed to take your trading experience to the next level. Whether if you're just starting out or if you're already an experienced investor, Mumu offers advanced yet easy to use tools. Sign up right now using my link in the description. And right now in the month of April, you can receive up to 60 free stocks. That's right, 60 free stocks just from signing up and making your very first deposit. Also, you can get up to 8.1 cash sweep interest on your uninvested cash that's sitting inside of your portfolio. So join millions of investors who trust Mumu to build their wealth. Click the link in the description and start investing smarter today. Enough talking, let's go ahead and dive back into this video. All right, we're back. So of course we want $100 a month, or that's going to be $1,200 within the year, right? It's 12 months in a year, $100 a month. So we're going to type in 1,200. Now we're going to divide it by $2.04 because 51 cents 4 times a year, that's $2.04. Let me show you guys so that you don't be confused. It is 0.51 times 4 times a year, $2.04. So we're back to 1,200. We're going to divide that by $2.04 because that's how much we get paid for every share that we own. That means we would need to have 588 shares to make $1,200 in 1 year. And right now, Coca-Cola is at $71.90. So we're going to multiply that by $71.90. Hit equal. So you would need $42,294 invested inside of Coca-Cola in order to make $100 in dividends every single month. That's right, $42,000. I told you guys, wait, don't leave. I'm telling you, do not leave yet, because I'm going to show you guys how this number is very attainable to anybody. Now, this is my big thing right here. I highly suggest that you start off investing $20 a day. Everybody can find $20 every single day. I used to say that, but I realized I'm an adult. I'm a little older than everybody else. I could find $20 a day. That's $100 a week. But $100 a week is $400 a month. And that's somebody's car note. That's somebody's electricity bill. Not everybody could find $20 every single day or $100 a week. So let's just cut that in half. Let's say you're 20 years old and you want to get into investing. Let's cut that in half. You're going to find $10 a day. I know everybody could find $10 a day. If not, you need to find a side hustle. You need to find something that you're good at and you could offer your services. You need to cut some yards, wash some cars. You could find $10 every single day. It's just 5 days throughout the week. That is $50 a week. So you guys can find $10 a day. So let me show you guys exactly how you can make 6 figures in dividends with just $10 a day. Now, the company we're going to pick for this example is ticker symbol MO, Altria Group, at $58.26. And they are dividend kings. They increase their dividends every single year for the last 57 years. And they have a 6.95 dividend yield. So let's come over to the dividend calculator and type in ticker symbol MO, Altria Group. And we're starting off with just one share, right? Just one share. And let's say Altria Group, let's take a quick look at it. Summary. So let's take a quick look at Altria Group. Year to date, they're up 11%, year 33%, 5 years 46%. Let's just say they go up 5% throughout the year, guys. Let's say the expected annual growth is 5% throughout the year, and our annual contributions $10 a day for 52 weeks. $10 a day, right, times 5, that's 50 week. That's $50 a week times 52. That is going to be $2,600. That's going to be $2,600 right there. So this is us investing $10 a day every market day that the stock market is open. So that's $2,600 throughout the year. And let's say we're 20 years old. Remember, we're finding $10 a day from the year we're 20 years old, and we want to retire by the time we're 65. That's going to be 45 years, right? So you're going to invest $10 a day every single day for 45 years. And let's hit calculate. And there we go, guys. You'll be bringing an annual dividend income of $106,000. Let's make that a little bigger, actually. Yeah, $106,000 of annual dividend income by doing absolutely nothing at all, and you'll have a $1 million portfolio. If you want to take a look, after 10 years, you'll be bringing in $2,000 in dividends, $2,400 in dividends. After 20 years, you'll be bringing in $8,800 in dividends. After 30 years, you'll be bringing in $24,000 in dividends, and then it just keeps doubling after that. So it'll go from 30 to 35, $39,000. From year 35 to year 40, $61,000. And from year 40 to year 45, at the beginning, you'll be bringing in $95,000. And at the end of year 45, you'll have an annual dividend income of $106,000 in dividends. So I know the number that I gave you at the beginning of this video, $42,000. You say, oh, I can't invest $42,000 just to make $100 a month in dividends. But I just showed you that $10 a day goes a very long way. If you start, the younger you start, the less you have to invest in this. The crazy thing about this video is that you can click out this video and get started today. If you do want to use Mumu, you can get free stocks just from getting started using the platform that I provided down in the video. And if you guys do want to join my Patreon, I'm going to leave a link to my Patreon down in the pinned comment section. Right now, I have 7 pro day traders inside of my Patreon. They post their option trades every single day. Right now, if you click this button, you can get it for $10.20 a month. If you guys do want to join the dream team, I host Zoom calls every single Sunday. I'm keeping it real small. There's only 6 spots remaining. And in there, I mainly teach the wheel strategy. I post my option trades every single Monday. But every Sunday we hold our Zoom calls. I have video tutorials in there. I have quizzes in there. I have everything that you need to learn about the wheel strategy inside the dream team. But if you guys do want to join the Lucid Dreamers, I'm gonna leave that link down in the description and in the pinned comment section as well. But yeah, dreamers, I'm telling you, the numbers is gonna look crazy at first, but investing is the long game. The earlier you start, the less you have to invest. In fact, if you start at the age of 30, so let's just say you don't start at age 20, you start at age 30. Now you got to invest $20 a day, almost $25 a day to get that same result, right? That's what I'm doing right now. I'm investing $20 a day inside of some of my favorite stocks like SCHD, which generate high dividends for me. So the earlier you start, the less you have to invest. If you're watching this at 18 years old, boy, do I envy you. I really wish I could go back to 18 and start investing inside the stock market. Right now, I'll be 50 rich. But let me know down in the comment section, are you a dividend investor? If you are, how much money do you make in dividends every single month? Some months I make around $300 in dividends, and some months I make around $500 in dividends. So I'm well on my way. As long as I keep reinvesting those dividends, I should be bringing in 6 figures in dividends by the time I'm ready to retire as well. But yeah, guys, thanks for making it to the end of this video. Go ahead, hit that thumbs up button and hit that subscribe button, because that helps out this channel more than you guys can possibly even imagine. But other than that, I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.